In order to allow end users to connect to your network, you must set up a Service Set ID, or SSID. Near the Network Overview graph, click on the Create SSID button. Select the SSID name. This will be broadcasted to any users trying to connect to the network. It does not have to be the same as your network's name in the dashboard. By default, hiding the SSID is toggled off and must stay that way for the network to be found by Wi-Fi-enabled devices, such as phones or laptops. You can select to hide your SSID if you wish to create an undetectable network and have certain users manually connect to it. Select a security type and password of 8 or more characters. The type recommended by default is a standard WPA-WPA2 Mixed Mode. Isolate Wi-Fi clients is left off by default, but toggling it on will prevent users from discovering each other locally through the network. This can be beneficial for networks that will have guests temporarily connecting to it, adding a level of security to limit attacks and threats between devices within the wireless network. Lastly, select a captive portal if desired to have a splash page when users connect to your network, among other benefits. More information on how to create captive portals can be found in a later video. Once completed, click Submit and test to see if your SSID is working properly by connecting to it with a Wi-Fi-enabled device. Your device should be able to connect to the internet, granted that your network has a stable connection to an Ethernet or cellular backhaul.